Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to create an event on Facebook. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, you will see events on the left side part of your screen. Click on Events. On the left side part of your screen, you will see Create New Event. Click on Create New Event. On the Create Event page, fill up the event information. Enter event name, date and time to start, whether if it's in person or virtual, who can see it, and what are the details. In Virtual menu, you will see virtual option like Messenger Room, Facebook Live, External Link, and others. While in person option, all you need is to enter the location of the event. You may also choose who will be informed about the event. On the field provided, enter the description about your event. You may also add a co-host, repeat the event or make more additions. After entering all the necessary info, click on the Create Event button. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we post tech videos virtually every day. Also, be sure to visit our website, northvilletech.com, for amazing tech articles, as well as our recommended sites in the description below for other sign-up bonuses.